This is a overview video of the Math 142 College Mathematics course. I am Catherine Kozak, or Kate Kozak. I am the teacher of the course. This is the home page of your course. On here, you will see this toolbar here is the course toolbar where you can access different tools of the course. Over here is the Canvas toolbar where you can get back to the dashboard or to different courses or your calendar or your inbox, some history information or your help if you need any help. You also may need to have the view course notifications. That's over here. On here, you can go to the start here. You can go to the syllabus. You can go to the modules. You can go to more resources and you can go to comments in Canvas. We're going to go to modules. Just to show you around some places. So we have a start here module. You have a orientation module that's required to go through and work through. For each module, you're going to click into it and then you click next to go to the next piece. Then we have the different chapters. Each chapter, if I click on chapter 1, each chapter is very similar of what they have. You have an introduction, which will talk about kind of what the course is requiring. And what the topic is in this. You're going to talk about some fun information about the topic. You're going to click on this to learn how to do certain things. They have videos in there. You're going to do a question and answer discussion where you post questions you may have. And you answer other people's questions. There's more in the syllabus about this. Then you have homework, a quiz. There is a critical thinking project for the first chapter. You're gonna have a discussion and then you're also gonna turn in your final draft of it. And then you do have a required Zoom question answer visit with me. And then you're gonna have a conclusion. And to get into each of these, you just click on them and they open up the accordion so you can see more information for each one. If you click next, you'll go to the next chapter. And if I go to the next chapter, you're gonna see in chapter 2. Oh, no, I'm sorry. It goes through each one of these pieces. Oh, no, here's chapter 2. I'm sorry. And chapter 2 is where the critical thinking project discussion is actually turned in. Was it in 3? It might be actually in chapter 3. Yes, so it's actually due in chapter 3 material. If I go back to modules, and like I said, each one is very similar. Each module is very similar. After the chapter 3 module, you're going to see a midterm exam. This is in person. You must show up for this and be in person for this. If you go into here, you're going to see kind of how to take it and how to access doing this information. And then there's also the similar thing for a final exam. And then you can go to different pieces over here and the orientation will work you through that. You can click over here like the calendar and you can see what's going on in the class. So if you go up here and click on a different month, you're going to see what is required for you to do at the start of the semester. And that's kind of the overview of this course.